The tech world is buzzing with excitement as the anticipation for Xiaomi's next big release grows. Despite its release being months away, various leaks are shedding light on what we can expect from this high-end smartphone. The most exciting revelations about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra center around its camera system, which seems designed to push mobile photography to new heights. According to digital chat station on Weibo, the device will be equipped with a powerful 50-megapixel main sensor. This main camera is expected to have a 23mm focal length and an f1.6 aperture. What makes this especially noteworthy is the mention of an increased physical focal length compared to previous models, which is anticipated to enhance low-light photography significantly. The tipster also mentioned a new customized hardware module, implying that Xiaomi may have developed a specialized main sensor specifically for this device, though exact details about this customization remain unclear. Beyond the main sensor, telephoto capabilities have been highlighted as a key feature. Digital Chat Station reports that the Ultra will come with a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. This impressive lens is said to provide 4.3x optical zoom and boasts a 100mm focal length with an f2.6 aperture. Adding depth to the leak, the design of the sensor includes a slightly cropped 25.x focal length and two zoom settings. These zoom options include a 4.3x zoom using a 1 to 1.5-inch image size and a 4.1x zoom that utilizes the full 1 to 1.4-inch sensor size. An earlier report by Xiaomi Time on X also provided insights into additional camera components. This report mentioned a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, which could contribute to the phone's ultra-wide or depth sensing abilities. Additionally, a 50-megapixel periscope lens featuring 2x zoom was noted as part of the setup. On the front, the device will reportedly sport a 32-megapixel OmniVision 32B sensor. According to an earlier leak by Yogesh Brar, the camera isn't the only component that will receive an upgrade. The device is rumored to feature a 6.7-inch, 120Hz LTPO OLED display. As per Gizmochina reports, diversity in material finishes is another area where the Ultra aims to stand out. Users will have three choices for the back finish: plain leather, fiberglass, and ceramic. Under the hood, the Ultra is expected to house the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Gizmo China also mentioned a massive 6,000mm battery. The device is said to support 90-watt wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging. Software-wise, the phone is anticipated to run on Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0, built on Android 15. They already launched its flagship models, the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro, in China. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to follow these models, with an anticipated launch in February 2025. While there is no official word on pricing yet, based on past pricing trends, a reasonable estimate would be within the $1,200 to $1,300 range. Are you excited about the potential of the 200-megapixel periscope lens or the customizable main sensor? Don't forget to subscribe to us for the latest tech news and insights.